Okay, good morning. Since there is such an interest in antiviral remedies and things that are beneficial and help to kill bacteria and viruses, we are going to show you today how we make our hand sanitizer spray. And this is, it's very easy. You can get almost, and probably virtually in every area, you can get all these ingredients locally. Hopefully. I don't know if people have started hoarding the ingredients for their own DIY hand sanitizer yet, but if they have, hopefully not. Hopefully they have not. But anyway, we are going to use alcohol. You could alternatively use witch hazel, which actually contains a lot of alcohol, but we're just going to use vodka and aloe vera gel, which I actually buy this online from Vitacost, but you can get it locally. I just saw some at our local grocery store yesterday while I was there. I just wanted to check and make sure that it was readily available. This is an aloe vera gel. It is pure aloe vera. There's nothing else in it. So that's what you want to look for. And then we're actually using an essential oil blend that I've come up with that I actually use in our Udder wash that I make for cleaning the doughs, udders obviously, and it has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic essential oils in there, which include, let me see, lavender, eucalyptus, clove, rosemary, and tea tree. Plus a little lemon, I think I have in there as well. I'll leave you a link to the recipe for the essential oil blend that I use at the end. But you can alternatively, if you can't, obviously not everyone is going to be able to have all of those essential oils, but you can just use lavender and a blend of lavender, or just tea tree. Tea tree essential oil is very easy to find. You want to try to find Australian tea tree. It is way better than the Chinese version, in my opinion. This one is an organic essential oil that I get from New Directions Aromatics, and they're very affordable. So if you're looking for organic essential oils, they are my go-to for essential oils. But anyway, what we're going to do is, I'm just going to eyeball this because it's not an exact science really. We're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel, and then 2 tablespoons also of the alcohol, the vodka. Oh, and you also need an empty 4-ounce spray bottle. This one is in glass, but it doesn't necessarily have to be glass. It's better if it's glass, but if it isn't, that's okay. I actually use another one I got. This is a spray gel sprayer that I got at Target, and I just refill it and keep that one in my purse, and it's a plastic. But this is a 4-ounce container. So then we're just going to add 10 drops of our essential oils. We just mix that up, and then I have it sitting on the scale because I'm going to go ahead and add enough water to equal 4 ounces. Stir that up. Oh, and you want to make sure your water is either distilled, preferably distilled, but I couldn't actually find any distilled water today. People are hoarding that evidently. So I just have purified water. Alternatively, you could actually just boil, have tap water come to a boil, and then use that as well. If you can use filtered water, would be better. Boil it and then use that. Okay. So that is it, and then we just fill the bottle up. This bottle already had some left in it, so I'll use the other one to refill the one I keep in my purse. But anyway, so that is it. And then you probably want to shake it up before use. You can spray it on your hands. You can also spray it on surfaces. We like to take this one. You can spray it on the in the bathroom, on the seats or anything before. If you keep it in your purse, you can spray it on anything before you touch it. But anyway, so that is our version of an essential oil, all natural hand sanitizer spray that you can do yourself. So I hope that helped everyone. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more, and we do appreciate you for supporting our farm, and thank you so much for watching.